Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a rubric with AI. So this is going to fast track the process that you go through to create your marking rubrics for your student assessments. So to start off with, go to www.coursebox.ai, and then once you sign up and create an account, the first step is to describe the topic of the rubric or the rubrics that you're going to create. So you can create several in one go. Then once you've done this, you can describe your learner, so your students. You can also choose to upload PDFs, Word docs, websites, or YouTube videos that align with the rubrics that you want to create. And so that will form as inspiration for creating the rubrics. Now, the assignments per lesson one here is the number of rubrics that will be generated. So if you only want rubrics, just set everything else to 0. And then on the assignments per lesson, put that up to the number of rubrics that you want. You will need lessons as they are like sections where the rubrics sit within. Then we're going to go through to the structure. So this will list your lessons and the rubrics, which are called assignments in CourseBox. So you can just see the name of the rubric that will be generated related to the assessment. And you can completely edit or add new ones in here manually before you go through. Just click the button at the bottom and then AI will start to generate all of your assessments with the marking rubrics. So if you go through and click on each part, you can then go down to the assessment, and here you can see the rubric, which is all editable. You can see that there are weightings for each marking criteria, and there are also certain criteria points with a description of each, and you can completely change these, but the default is set to understanding, application, critical thinking, creativity, organization, and clarity, and then that goes to the total with 20% allocated to each. Now, the magic behind this as well is that it actually aligns with an AI grading tool. So if your students submit an assignment in CourseBox, it will actually align with the rubric itself. And AI will provide a grade based on their submission aligned with the rubric and all of the weightings. So it's a pretty cool tool that it's not just for creating rubrics to then export into lesson plans or other places. It's actually enabling you to do the grading itself. So it goes one step further. So just head to www.coursebox.ai to sign up for the AI Rubric Generator tool. And there's a lot more in here. CourseBox is an entire AI course creation tool that generates quizzes, course pages, and AI training videos. And you can also reprompt each course page as it has here, including those which have a rubric on them. So if you would like to ask your rubric to be generated differently with different content, you can just go ahead and ask AI to do so.